Today is a moment that will be forever engraved in your heart, because the heavenly message that your angel is conveying is of unparalleled grandeur. Be ready to embark on an exciting and extraordinary journey, a journey that will take you to heights of growth and success that, until now, seemed unattainable. It's as if the entire cosmos is conspiring to turn your dreams into reality, illuminating the path ahead of you with the brightness of the stars, showing you that you are loved and deserving of all the care of the universe. Are you ready to accept and receive with an open heart? Then, say yes and allow the magic to happen. Under the starry mantle of the night sky, where each celestial twinkle radiates a unique intensity, and the moon, a faithful witness to this spectacle of emotions, your angel's message resonates with a grandeur that rivals the vastness of the cosmos. It is a revelation as profound as the immensity of the universe. Someone you never even imagined, a treasure hidden in the folds of destiny, yearns to share the rest of the journey by your side. But it's not just that. This person desires to dive headfirst into the experience of your life, enveloping you with all the love you've always longed for. It's a commitment that transcends time, an eternal promise that shines like an unquenchable flame. The passion this person holds for you cannot be contained by mere words. It's a fire that consumes hearts and illuminates the darkest corners of the path towards eternal love. Before you stands a crossroads of immeasurable importance. The decision to embark on this relationship and weave this sweeping love story, capable of filling the voids of your existential puzzle, is like finding the ultimate piece to complete the puzzle and start the game of life anew alongside the right person, uniting destinies in an indelible way. This choice, without a shadow of a doubt, stands among the most crucial that you will face throughout your earthly journey. It requires not only deep consideration, but also an incursion into the most intimate recesses of your soul, as if deciphering the most primordial enigmas of the universe. One who proposes to share their life with you has not only chosen to walk by your side, but also aims to be the guiding star that sheds light on the path of this journey called life, delineating a shared destiny marked by the light of affection and complicity. The duality of having two paths before you, both representing situations of profound importance and capable of promoting profound transformations in your life, can be perceived as a challenge of cosmic proportions. The feeling of being at a crossroads, with both options longing to share eternity by your side, can generate a storm of emotions in your heart, where anxiety and anguish intertwine like tumultuous waves that threaten to flood your soul. However, amidst this emotional turmoil, it is crucial to remember that you do not have absolute control over the feelings of the other person. It is not your responsibility to force yourself to love someone just because that person longs for you, as true love cannot be coerced. It is a spontaneous gift that springs from the innermost being. At the crossroads of life, where destiny bifurcates and horizons expand, the most important thing is to discern wisely and courageously which path will lead to your genuine and full happiness. In this crucial moment, amidst the whirlwind of emotions and expectations, it is time to delve deeply into the core of your own feelings, devoid of fears and apprehensions, and make a decision that resonates with your most authentic essence. You hold the power of choice, an inalienable freedom that allows you to chart the course of your love destiny. However, remember, love transcends mere emotional experience. It is a journey of conscious commitment that shapes not only your own destiny, but also that of those who are intertwined in the fabric of your existence. Therefore, each decision must be made with due awareness and responsibility, as from it emanate the ramifications that will echo through the ages. When making your choice, let yourself be guided by the symphony of your heart, by the rhythm that resonates in unison with your soul. Choose the person whose presence makes your heart dance with joy, someone with whom you envision not only sharing the fleeting moments of the present, but also building a future full of shared dreams and mutual achievements. Beyond physical attraction, which, although relevant, should not be the only criterion, also consider emotional harmony and the values you share, for how can two walk together without agreement? This is a crucial point that deserves your most careful attention. Trust, as firm as the foundation of a solid building, is the vital element of any lasting relationship. Therefore, choose someone in whom you can place your complete trust, someone who not only warms your heart, but who is also worthy of your deepest trust, someone you can trust not only with your love, but also with your life. For it is in the careful and conscious choice of a partner that lies the key to building a loving, full and lasting future, where the foundations of affection and trust sustain the home of shared happiness. Understand that the love someone nurtures for you, however intense and genuine it may be, does not in itself guarantee that this person is the right choice for your destiny. It is not just about accepting any partner as a companion on the journey, but rather discerning carefully who deserves to occupy such a significant place in your life. The foundations of lasting relationships go beyond the waves of love that permeate the heart. They are built upon the solid foundation of harmony in goals, visions of the future, and shared life values, essential elements that provide support and depth to this new connection. Your soulmate is not only the one who fills the empty spaces in your existence, but also the one who understands and respects your deepest aspirations. It is someone who not only walks by your side, but also propels you to reach the highest heights of self-awareness and personal growth. It is a partner who, instead of limiting your ambitions, nurtures and strengthens them, empowering you to flourish and become the best version of yourself. Although this crossroad may, at first glance, seem like a storm of emotions that threatens to destabilize even the most resilient hearts, it is imperative that you open yourself to the possibility of a frank and sincere conversation with this person who holds such a significant place in your life. It is time to strip away social masks, to abandon pretensions, and to dive deep into the truth of what you feel. Be honest with yourself and with the other, as honesty is the foundation upon which mutual trust is built, essential for any lasting and meaningful relationship. Even if the outcome of this conversation does not exactly match your deepest expectations, know that clarity and transparency are the pillars upon which the most authentic and profound bonds are built. In the unfolding of this dialogue, allow yourself to flow with the current of words, without holding on to preconceived expectations or selfish desires. This is the moment to listen with an open heart, to grasp not only the words echoing in the air, but also the subtle vibrations of the soul. For at the core of your being resides the answer you seek, guided by the gentle whisper of your intuition and the rhythmic pulsing of your most primal instinct. Remember that the decision at this crossroads is not just a momentary choice, but rather a journey that will shape the contours of your existence forever. It is a path unfolding before you, whose ramifications will echo through the ages. Therefore, plunge into this process of choice with the wisdom that only time and experience can bestow. Let the light of your intuition guide your steps, illuminating the way towards the decision that resonates with the deepest truth of your being. The right choice, the one made with discernment and clarity of purpose, will bring with it a partner who not only loves you, but who also envelopes you with unwavering dedication. This will be someone who will not hesitate to stand by your side in moments of tribulation, whose support will be the shield that protects you from life's storms. In times of celebration, this companion will be there to share your joy, multiplying it with shared smiles and warm embraces. More than that, they will make you feel truly valued and loved, like a precious gem in their heart. This is the kind of partner whose support is like a guiding beacon, leading you through life's turbulent waters towards the safe shores of your highest dreams and aspirations. Whether in the pursuit of professional success, the achievement of personal goals, or the simple journey of self-discovery, this companion will be by your side, lifting you up when needed, encouraging you when feeling disheartened, and celebrating each victory by your side. With them, you not only share life, but build a legacy of love, complicity, and fulfillment that transcends the bounds of time and space. So choose with a light heart, confident that the right partner awaits you at the end of this journey of discovery and authenticity. The ideal partner is not only someone who shares your moments of happiness, but also one who is by your side in moments of vulnerability, when you need to strip away the social masks and reveal your true essence. It is someone with whom you can be completely authentic, without fearing rejection or judgment. In the depths of this relationship, you find a safe harbor where you can anchor your soul, a sacred space where every sigh, every laughter, and every tear are welcomed with understanding and unconditional love. In this communion of souls, you discover that true intimacy lies not only in physical proximity, but in the emotional and spiritual connection that transcends the boundaries of time and space. It is a delicate dance of mutual trust and unconditional acceptance, where each reveals themselves to the other without reservations, finding in the arms of the other the comfort and security that only true love can provide. By sharing your deepest dreams, your most fervent hopes, and your darkest fears, you come face to face with a powerful truth. Vulnerability is not a sign of weakness, but rather a sublime expression of courage and authenticity. It is in those moments when you allow yourself to be completely transparent, without masks or pretense, that the true essence of your being shines with incomparable intensity. It is through these instances of radical honesty that the foundations of your relationship are strengthened, turning it into an impenetrable fortress in the face of life's vicissitudes. In these moments of deep connection, you and your partner find yourselves at the center of a celestial dance, where every word, every glance, and every touch are imbued with meaning and purpose. It is a journey of mutual discovery, where superficial layers are stripped away to reveal the intrinsic beauty and complexity of each soul. It is in this space of surrender and acceptance that the bonds of love strengthen, intertwining in an indissoluble and time-resistant way. Therefore, in this transcendental moment of your life, when the stars seem to align in your favor, claim this choice with all the conviction that dwells within your core. Let the certainty of your heart guide your steps, leading you to the arms of the one who understands your deepest essence and loves you unconditionally. For it is in mutual acceptance, in shared vulnerability, and in mutual trust that the true essence of lasting and meaningful love resides. May each step taken on this journey be imbued with courage and determination, for you deserve a love that transcends the limitations of time and space, a love that is eternal as the universe itself. So rise with the conviction that by choosing to follow the call of your heart, you are charting the course for a life full of love, happiness, and fulfillment. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wishes the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice may be. Type "I accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me" to claim this message and the blessings contained in it for you. Let us spread positivity and kindness to each other, creating waves of good energy together. Did you know that there is a possible image of your soulmate that you can see now? It may be someone you already know or someone you have yet to meet. Click on the link in the description to get the portrait of your soulmate. Let us uplift each other and create waves of good energy together. Stay tuned for the next important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe light your path with peace, love, and faith. Amen.